Do you know what will happen when everything we know has ended? When the universe finally turns off its lights? No? Well, pay attention because today we're diving into the universe's last star, FC-154, or Osiris, as I like to call it. Yes, it hasn't even been born yet, but it's already destined to be the final dazzling act on the cosmic stage. It's like that billionaire heir who's born into wealth, except instead of a fortune, Osiris inherits eternal loneliness. Ironic, right? Especially since it's named after the god of fertility. Because, let's face it, nothing screams fertility like a dead and half-dead universe, am I right? But to grasp the greatness of Osiris, we need to understand why it's so special. Get this, it has only 7.5% of the mass of our Sun. And if you think that makes it a wimpy star, think again. It's precisely because it's a low-mass star that it will last ons trillion years. Yes, I said trillions. Another one of the universe's wonders, playing the longevity torture game with its stars. And here's a classic question. Ever wondered what happens when a galaxy meets its neighbor for a casual coffee? In 4 billion years, our Milky Way is going to have a nice little meetup with Andromeda. It's the kind of cosmic encounter that makes any sitcom look boring. Imagine the stars crossing paths, like old friends. Or should I say old gossipers? In a trillion years, while our bucket list turns into a burst of failed supernovas, Osiris will appear and shine. A shine that, let's be honest, nobody will be around to admire. Because really, will anyone still be there to applaud the show of the universe's last diva? Doubtful, right? Quick reflection. Have you ever thought about how many times we question our existence? And if, in des trillion years, an alien civilization discovers our past memes and wonders, what the heck are kittens with laser eyes? Ah, the fleeting beauty of cultural trends. So, as we head towards the climax of this cosmic drama, it's good to remember that the life of stars isn't as glamorous as it seems. In the end, just like us, they also have to deal with the inevitability of retirement. After its long journey, Osiris will end up as a white dwarf with no glamour at all, just a celestial body defined by the stubbornness of electrons. Because yes, the universe loves to play game over with its creations. And while the last particles of Osiris struggle to stay together, we can see that, deep down, we're all heading to the same party, or rather, the same end. The final destiny of Osiris is to become an iron star, a title that won't impress anyone anymore. And eventually, even it will become a black hole, like a singer who lost their voice. And what about this universe without stars, just a sea of radiation? Seems like the perfect scenario for anyone tired of dealing with daily routines, right? There won't be any noise, no problems, just absolute silence, enough to make Sartre wonder if hell is really other people, or just eternal solitude. But, before diving into an existential crisis, remember that even stars have their expiration date. And maybe, just maybe, the magic lies in realizing that between the Big Bang and absolute nothingness, we had a unique moment to shine. So, since every moment is unique, how about one last joke? Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave in the comments your nerdy theory on what the best cosmic pickup line would be from a robot that only knows Carl Sagan's work. Go on, unleash your inner Neil deGrasse Tyson,